Mabuhay! My name is Krista and welcome to Pinay's Kitchen! Today I'm gonna show you how to make a Pinay's Kitchen original spiced garlic buttered shrimp. We're using a whole shrimp here. We have shrimp and some I want to start cooking, but first I want to thank everyone that already subscribed in my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button below with that bell button for new videos and notifications. So I have my pan here. I'm just gonna put my heat to medium right now, and then I'm gonna add butter. I'm gonna add like 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of butter, and then while that's melting, I'm actually gonna add my garlic. I wanna add my garlic while my oil or my butter is still cold. I'm doing that because I want my oil to have that garlic flavor. My heat is on medium, and then as the butter melts, I'm just gonna keep adding. So another 1 to 2 tablespoons, and then I'm just gonna add that, and I'm just gonna let that garlic cook a little bit, but not brown. Next, what I'm gonna add is I'm gonna add my spice mix. I'm just gonna add the whole thing. And if you see that like it's too much spice, just add more butter, and just let that butter melt there. And let the spices cook a little bit, because when you cook the spices, the natural oils will actually come out. So I'm gonna add more butter. I'm gonna save about 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna add that later when it's almost cooked. In about 5 minutes of cooking, you can add your shrimp. So I'm just gonna add my shrimp there. So, oh my gosh, if you can smell this, it smells really good. So just make sure to coat the shrimp with all the spices. Then you can open your Sprite and add that in. I'm gonna add the whole thing. I'm gonna add the whole thing, y'all. It's gonna evaporate, so that's fine. So just add the whole thing. I'm gonna put the lid on, turn the heat to medium to medium high, and then let the liquid reduce to half. Alright, our shrimp has been simmering for about 10 minutes now. Look at the sauce, it already have that smooth, velvety consistency. Now you can add your 4 tablespoons of butter that you left out earlier. I'm gonna add that and let it sit there until it just melts. It melts with the sauce. More butter the better, right? When I put the butter, my heat is already in medium-low, and then I just like stir it together until that butter naturally melt in the sauce. I'm gonna taste it first, and then adjust the seasoning. And like, it's so good. Look at that sauce. It's like luscious, velvety, smooth consistency. Oh my gosh. I want to taste it again. It's so good. You know what's this gonna be good with? a warm steamed rice and some beer. Yes. Then of course that delicious sauce. Ooh la la. And I don't usually do this, but I love you guys, so I'm gonna garnish it with green onions. Ooh, ooh la la. Here's our spiced garlic buttered shrimp. All right, moment of truth. Let's taste it. Actually, I'm gonna grab it from here. This is how you eat it, okay? So you take that head and then I'm sorry, you see all that dripping? That's flavor. That's flavor bomb. And then what I do is I like grab that head that's left there and then just sorry. It's really good. And then it's up to you if you wanna, if you wanna take the shell or just leave the shell on, that's fine. It's cooked, so it should be fine. It's like crunchy part, right? But I usually take off the shell and then here and then dip it in the sauce right there, then eat it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Until then, take care. I love you guys. I hope to see you again soon. Again, this is Krista of Pinays Kitchen, bringing flavors of the Pacific to your table. Thank you guys. Bye.